Hello Internet, this video is an out-of-box review and first-time use of this Swipe Smith pressure washer. Keep watching. Okay, Swipe Smith reached out to me to do an out-of-box review of their pressure washer. They're not paying me, they did send this though to me, and there will be an affiliate link in the description below if you're interested in this. Now let's take it out of the box. Okay, it comes with instructions, and I'll read through those. There's some extra O-rings and some set screws and a cleaning needle here. I'll put those in a safe spot. Okay, this I assume is something that attaches, you put detergent in. Here's the wand for the gun. There's the main unit itself. Looks like various nozzles and things will attach to this to hold tools, I'm sure. And this looks like the main supply hose. Well, this actually would be the hose that the gun attaches to. Here's the electrical. This is similar to one I had before. So there is an on-off, and then it has its own shut-off to reset it and stuff. Kind of like it's built-in GFI, similar to that. Here's the big on-off switch. That's easy to see. Overall, it seems very sturdy. It's not light. I mean, it's easy enough to carry around, but I mean, it's not. Doesn't look cheap to me. Variety of nozzles. So you got 25 degrees. This one's 0 degrees. 40 degrees. 15 degrees. Okay, so assuming this goes this way, yeah, this must go on the other side. Okay, that's easy enough. Okay, it has to be another piece that fits right here. That's what the two screws are for, so it must still be in the box. There it is. Okay, so that's got to go just like that. Only one way it can go on. Get a Phillips here. Okay, there's O-ring there, so the extra O-rings room is for this. It's pretty stout. That's good, that's where the water goes. The front, okay, there we go. So this comes off. Strip that. Okay, that's all nice and tight. Okay, so the trigger has to be pushed this way, and this goes in. Okay, that's to release the, put on, the cord here, and here's the trigger for the wand, and then this will pop in here. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll have to experiment with the nozzles here. And I can just see a general direction. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to experiment. I have to get the hose out here, and maybe I'll start with let's do in the middle. I'll do 15 degree. Okay. Okay, so this is spring of the year. This is Montana in my parents' place, and you track a lot of mud and stuff into the garage in winter months. So I'm just shoveling it first, loosening it up, sweeping it. It's really caked on there. This would be a good test for the pressure washer. So I'm hooking it up for the very first time, a water source there, turning on the water, and again just trying it for the first time. So I'm using one of the wider angled nozzles to begin with, just to see how strong it is. And I like it that it doesn't use a whole lot of water. It's not breaking open, though, some of the bigger pieces of mud, which is okay, because I'm going to change the nozzle here in just a second. Okay, so I'm changing the nozzle here, putting on the 0 degree, which is the most powerful. And no problem, just blasts it right off of there. We changed back to a wider nozzle. The process here, I used all the nozzles, and it controls the amount of water. You have enough pressure to really thoroughly clean. You push the water as you go. Just perfect for a garage. You don't want to flood the garage, yet you want to clean it thoroughly. So far so good with this pressure washer. Taking off the gun here and putting on the soap. I want to suds it down now. I'm trying this for the first time. There we go. Adds sudsy water. Again, just for the final clean here. I'll rinse it too, but just getting all the dust off. Worked very well. I just use this detergent in the bottle, about 2/3, and also mix some water in. Just taking a guess. I think it worked out well. Okay, I'm changing the nozzle again. And this is just for the final rinse. Using the widest possible angle here. And like it that I can control it so easily, literally just pushing the water and the soap out of the garage, leaving it nice and clean behind. Okay, this thing did an excellent job. It wasn't so high powered that you're etching the concrete, but strong enough with the zero to knock off some of the bigger stuff, and then with the wider angles was able to easily clean this without flooding the garage. So I'm just going to put it away. There's also a place up here for holding the nozzles. Kind of guessing as to how to do these. Probably not right. Okay. See that? That's handy for moving it. Try this. No, it's not. Okay, that's how I'm going to do it. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to have to look at the instructions to see exactly how to wrap things up, but this is how I'm doing it for now. Overall, I really like it. I've had some pressure washers way too powerful. You can etch the concrete. That's not this. It's strong enough though to get some of the bigger things off, and general enough to to easily clean a garage without flooding the garage. So overall, I like it. I will recommend it. So I want to thank Swipe Smith for sending this to me. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but it is of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.